Hi and welcome, I'm Daniel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to play the million seller Can't Help Falling in Love by the King, Elvis. As always, I'd love you to go grab your guitar and follow along with me. And if you like today's video and find it helpful, I'd be really grateful if you could like and subscribe, as it helps me grow the channel and continue to bring you guitar tutorials. Also click the notifications bell so you don't miss out on the new videos. So with all that said, here we go. Right, so here we go then, Can't Help Falling in Love. What we're going to do, we've got the chords D, F sharp minor, B minor, G, D, A, G, A, B minor, G, D, A, D. Now all of these chords I've done videos on previously, so if you don't know any of these, feel free to go back and check those out. Also done a video on bar chords as well, so it's worthwhile checking those out as well. So here we go. So what I would recommend, this is what's known as time signature 6/8. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So before we start the picking, it's probably beneficial for you to do this simplified version, which will be all downstrokes. So if you don't manage to master the picking straight away, at least you can play your way through the song. So here we go. So we're going to go D, F sharp minor, B minor, B minor, G, D, A, G, A, B minor, G, D, A, D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Right, so that is the song with the simplified downstroke. Finger picking, we move on to, here we go. So what we're going to do, with finger picking, you allocate a bass note with your thumb, and then you allocate the string you're going to do. It's known as the picking pattern. So you choose what picking pattern you're going to keep continuous through the song and stick to it. So for the D, we're going to make the D, the note of D, our bass note, which is for the thumb, and then we're going to go strings 3, 2 and 1 are going to be string 3 for finger 1, string 2 is going to be for the second finger, and string number 1 is going to be for the third finger. So we're going to go, come up to the camera for you. So we got 4, the fourth string is for the thumb, 3 for third string for finger number 1, second string is finger number 2, and the first string is finger number 3. So, and then we're going to change what bass note we're going to have for the thumb. We're going to move to the F sharp, and we're going to use the top string, the 6th string, but we're going to keep the strings we've allocated for the fingers the same. So we're going to go, so, and then down to the B minor, we're going to use the 5th string as our bass note. And then we move into the G. We use the 6th string as our bass note for the thumb, but we keep the fingers the same. And then back to the D again, 4th string. And then A, we're going to use the 5th string as our bass note. And then back to the G, top string. There we go. And then we're going to move to the A, 5th string. B minor as a bar chord. We're going to use the 5th string again, and then back to the 6th string for the G, and then back to the D, which is the 4th string, A, the 5th string, and then D, back to the 4th string again as our bass note. Right, now that is what we do for the verses. For the bridge, F sharp minor, B minor, F sharp minor, B minor, F sharp minor, B minor, F sharp minor, E minor, A major. So it will sound like this. So let's take you through that. So F sharp minor, 6th string is our bass note. B minor, 5th string is our bass note. F sharp minor again, then 5th string for the B minor, then F sharp minor again, and then B minor. Then E minor, still the top string, and then A, 5th string. Right, so let's put all that together then. So here we go then. So we've got D, F sharp minor, B minor, B minor, G, D, A, G, A, B minor, G, D, A, D, D, F sharp minor, B minor, F sharp minor, B minor, F sharp minor, B minor, F sharp minor, E minor, A, D, F sharp minor, B minor, G, D, A, G, A, B minor, G, D, A, D. So there we have it, Can't Help Falling in Love by Elvis. If you enjoyed today's video, click like and subscribe for me please. Also, you may want to head on over to danielberryguitartutor.com and sign up for the newsletter, which is full of guitar playing tips and tricks that you may just find useful. Let me know how you get on with playing Can't Help Falling in Love in the comments section below. I'd also love to hear if there's a particular song you'd like me to pick apart and bring to you in the next video. So until next time, take care, and I'll catch you in the next video.